got a pumpkin. This. Got something hiding right here. Squash. See that big squash? Go to the other side. Another big squash. Tomatoes. The greens. Do y'all know what type of plant is this? That's a squash over there. This is spinach, baby spinach. This what y'all like right here. I think this is the collard greens. No, this is the squash. This the collard greens over here. Look how beautiful them collard greens looking, man. Big. Collard greens. You go over there, see the baby cabbage. More spinach over here, tomatoes over there, tomatoes, y'all know what this is. If y'all know what this is, comment, let me know. Eggplant, GT call it balanji. It's the corn right here. Corn was good. A lot of good stuff harvested this year. Proud of myself. More spinach. Zucchini. First time growing this harvest. Zucchini patch. Beautiful. Can't wait. Up close.